Yeah, what's up, guys? So in this video today, I'm gonna teach you what we call digital marketing. So basically, big digital marketing is all about promoting businesses and making more sales for a company, promoting products using digital accessories or digital gadgets like phones, laptops, something that is digital. It's all about digital, using digital things like phones, laptops, like this online. You understand? So before we had what we call traditional marketing. So traditional marketing is all about like billboards and newspapers, word telling someone. But in digital marketing, we have something like SMM, social media marketing. We have SEO, search engine optimization. We have something like PPC, pay per click. We have email marketing. We have affiliate marketing. So basically, digital is all about promoting your business or your products using digital assets like phones, laptops, and using online. So how do digital marketers make money? We digital marketers, we make money as we get companies, we promote their businesses make more sales. Either we are paid by commission or by salary or by contract. It's all about what terms are, like what was in the contract when you starting working for that company. So second thing, if you want to start become a digital marketer, you have to specialize. You have to say, when you're starting up, as I'm talking about beginners, you have to start at one thing. So like for me right now, I'm a professional. I've been a digital marketer for half a decade, like almost 5 years. So, but when you start, it's better you start with something like social media marketing. You choose one thing. You can start with social media marketing. You can start with Facebook ads. You can start content creation. It's all about, but start with one thing. But for me right now, I'm a professional and I'm a digital marketing manager of a company. As you can see right now, this is the shop and I'm the manager here. So if you're a startup, you have to start with one thing. If you say, let me say, you can start with content creation. After mastering it, then you can go to Facebook ads. Then you can go to SEO. You can start one by one, one by one, one by one. Then after a long time, you can master everything. So just kindly make sure you subscribe on my YouTube channel. I'm gonna make a full video teaching you from a beginner how to start, become a digital marketer, how to make money, how to master, how to get clients. Just make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel so that you'll be updated whenever I upload a new video. Thank you guys. I'll make a video to teach you everything you want to know. Thank you guys.